Hi, my name is Robin Orr. I go by Ms. Orr or when I'm gaming, Ms. Oreo. Just depends. But I have regularly hosted game clubs with my students. In fact, I'm connecting to a realm right now that I built last year with my students. And I play Minecraft, I play Roblox. I love playing games and I love sharing that with my students. And so this short video is just to kind of show some of the stuff that I'm really proud of that they built in our realm. If I go back to my game here, I was recently making some food because my food is down and my health is down, so I'm trying to bring my health back up. But this is a village. However, the students that I was working with on this realm made it their own. As you can see, villages don't tend to have chests all throughout the middle of them. And as I was checking out their progress, we have a little sign that Ava made that said Ava was here, don't touch Ava, and then all of our crafting blocks here, or not crafting blocks, but all of our chests and things. We actually had a little cabin that they made that had beds and chests, but it looks like they went into our realm while it was still open and turned a village into their own little home. So anyway, I love Minecraft. I play with my brother all the time. We've got monsters coming out, and I don't have a weapon right now, so I'm gonna go to bed. Fortunately, got one right there. Ah, there are monsters nearby. Anyway, here is just a quick... Ugh, I can't rest, but fortunately I'm safe inside. Anyway, Minecraft here, and then I also wanted to pull up Roblox, so I'm going to pause this game and bring back up Roblox in just a moment. Alright, so I just closed out of Minecraft and I've pulled up my Roblox account. Here is my little Roblox avatar. My main screen, as you can see, I'm Miss Oreo on Roblox. Brookhaven is one that my kids love. They also love to Adopt Me and other fun games. So just kind of showcasing some of the games that I play, as well as host for my students. Minecraft, Roblox, I love them all. Animal Crossing, you name it. I am happy to host and play any sort of game with students. I have been searching for a way to create a game club for students and have that opportunity available for them. But anyway, this is Brookhaven. I had two students that I played this with over the summer that I was providing tutoring services for. They also wanted to learn Roblox Studio and design their own games, so we spent a lot of time checking out Brookhaven. But anyway, I'm Robin Orr, and I look forward to chatting more about this opportunity. Thank you so much.